Hi everyone. First of all, congratulations on becoming a member of the Newfangled group. Newfangled is our vocabulary series. This is the lecture 3rd of Newfangled. In this class, we are going to study some words to use in place of sad. I'm feeling very sad. I'm so sad today. Stop using the word sad. Learn some new word which may help you express your feelings in a better way. Let's look at the words. The first one is dejected. देखा sad से कितना ज़्यादा impression बनाता है ना. I am so dejected today. I missed my bus. I'm so dejected. Instead of saying that I'm sad, you can say the word dejected or probably downcast. Another one is downhearted. He didn't call me the entire day. I'm so downhearted today. मतलब मैं आज बहुत ही दुखी हूँ. I'm so sad. Despondent. These activities are making me feel despondent. मतलब ये जो भी चीज हो रही है ये मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. I'm feeling quite sad. Gloomy. I don't have any cousins to enjoy with in the family functions. I feel so gloomy there. मतलब मैं वहाँ बहुत ही उदास हो जाता हूँ. Then we have disconsolate. The test paper is making me disconsolate because probably I didn't prepare well. मतलब ये test paper मुझे नहीं आता. मुझे इसे देख के बहुत ही दुख हो रहा है. That why didn't I prepare well? You can use the word disconsolate instead of saying sad. Then we have doleful. The weather outside is making me doleful because I can't go out and play. Wretched. Another one is glum. He was so glummed when she broke his heart. Morose. Dismal. You must have heard these words. Dismal, morose, and blue. Guys, always remember that the word blue always has a negative or a sad connotation with it. Feeling blues, facing blues. I'm feeling blue today. That means you are so sad. You are not in a good mood. Blue color always shows a negativity. Melancholy. Woeful. Forlorn. Mournful. The environment after her father died in her home is so mournful. It's so sad नहीं. अच्छे से express नहीं कर पा रहे हैं हम. It's so mournful. Grief stricken. Crestfallen. She was sent out of the class by her class teacher and she's feeling so crestfallen today. Now let's see some idioms for saying that I am feeling so sad today. The first one is in low spirits. Please don't call me. I'm in low spirits today. I'm not in the mood to talk. आप किसी को directly ये तो नहीं बोलोगे ना. I'm so sad today. Please don't call me. So you can say that I am in low spirits. Please do not call. Face like a wet weekend. Wet weekend क्या होता है? जो लोग पूरा हफ्ता काम करते हैं, they only have the weekend, the Saturdays and the Sundays for them to enjoy. और वो Saturday Sunday पे अगर मौसम खराब हो जाए, you cannot go out of your home and you cannot enjoy. तो जैसा आपको उस टाइम पे फील होगा, very sad, उसी के बेसिस पे ये बना है हमारा idiom, face like a wet weekend. What happened here? Why is your face looks like a wet weekend today? Then we have facing blues or having blues. If you are a big fan of ice cream, then you can say the ice cream parlor was closed today. Now I'm facing blues. I want to eat ice cream so badly. The ice cream parlor band tha, main bahut sad hu. So you can say that I'm having the blues or I'm facing blues. Down in the mouth. This is the idiom which you use for others. That she is down in the mouth today. I don't know what's wrong with her. Probably she has a fight with her husband, with her boyfriend or anything. She is so down in the mouth. Then down in the dumps. This idiom is for you to describe your mood. Then nothing much, yeah, I'm just down in the dumps. I'm so sad. What it means is reduce to tears. आप इतने उदास हो, इतना gloomy feel कर रहे हो that you reduce to tears. After her boyfriend broke up with her, she was so sad, she was so dejected that she reduced to tears today. Lump in throat. When you are about to say something but you cannot say, there is something which is forcing you to say the words. In that particular situation, you have to say lump in throat. Take something hard. इसका मतलब है कि आप किसी सिचुएशन को बहुत ही सीरियस ले लेते हो और उससे नाराज हो जाते हो, उदास हो जाते हो. We were just joking with you. Please do not take this hard. Heavy heart. Broken hearted. Knocked sideways. One's heart sinks. She has all the expectations that she will pass with flying colors, but she could not, and now her heart sinks. Fall to pieces. मतलब आप इतना टूट चुके हो, इतना उदास हो that you have fallen into pieces. Now is the activity time. You have to make a sentence with your favorite word or your favorite idiom. Let me know the sentence in the comment section below. Make sure there is no plagiarism. You have to make the sentence by yourself. And also, before you close the video, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Hit the like button. Your likes give me motivation to bring such content for you on a daily basis. Thank you for watching.